Okay, so Bitcoin getting hit pretty hard here, down 1.1%. I just want to look at the stock markets here. You can't see it on my screen here, but the SPX is down 2%. Um, Very important rollover here. You can see we just opened up, turned red, and continued to the downside. Definitely, definitely traits of a bearish trend. Now, there's no, I wanted to show you an example as well in the past of this, but it's not, it's not a great example there. This is a little bit of an example similar to it. This is back in the financial crisis. When you get these dojis, these long-legged dojis that try to bring price back up, this is below all moving averages in a bearish pattern, bearish structure. But you get the long doji trying to be bought right back up, and then as soon as it opens, it turns red and continues to flush lower. If I bring you back here on a 3-day chart, you can see that this is what happened. It's a bearish sign, you know, the long-legged dojis, um, and just continued lower. You know, the bulls cannot find strength. This is definitely a bearish rejection. You can see just continuing to sell here. At this point, there's no sign of a bottom. There's a 2-week chart. There's 2 days left in this 2-week candle. You can see on a monthly, it's a bearish outside day on a monthly chart. Right, you can see here in the past we had a bearish candle like this. There was more downside. So the new month and a new quarter is going to be very, very important. Right, in the past we've had candles like this and it just completely was bought back up on a new month. The sellers held it strong into the end of the month, which is likely to happen here as well. And it's the new monthly candle that needs to be traded. Right, the new month, which is a new quarter, can completely flip markets on its head. This is when banks, institutions, and professional traders deploy their capital into the market. So it'll be very important for their reaction. Is it going to turn red and keep completely selling off, or is it going to flip green just like this and be bought right back up? But this will be why a new quarter is going to be so important. Right? We can see here that this is a pretty bad topping candle for the quarter. We have never had a candle like this in the history of the market. Also note here on a 3-month chart, we have a double bearish divergence. Double bearish divergences can be very, very powerful. The last time we had a double bearish divergence was back in the dot-com bubble when the dot-com bubble burst.